Boston cream pie trifle. We're making a Boston cream pie trifle, and the reason we're making it is my husband's favorite. We're having a whole crowd of people over tomorrow, and I'm making this for him. It is set in the refrigerator and get better and better overnight. It's beautiful, and I'm excited about doing this for him. So we're going to use just one box of cake mix, and we're going to follow the instructions right on the back. So the first thing we're going to add to this is 3 large eggs. Just following those directions. Or was it 4? No, it was 3. I had to check. Okay, now we're going to put in 3/4 cup of water. So now we need 1 stick and 1/2 stick of butter. So 3/4 cup of butter. Let me make sure. Oh no, I'm wrong. What's wrong with me today? Wake up, friend. I'm sorry. I need 7 tablespoons of butter. Melted. I don't know what's wrong with me. So we're going to take off 1 tablespoon. We're going to melt this. Don't leave me. I'm okay. Perfect. Okay, guys, these are parchment paper. They are air fryer sheets. I got them at the Dollar Tree. A whole pack of them for $1.25 way back when, but they're $1.50 now. Okay, I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to half this. Okay, I always tap my cakes 3 times. I'm going to go ahead and put these on a sheet pan. And you know what? I'm going to get out my cake strips. Okay, I have wet them. We're just going to pop them around. And the reason I'm doing this is I want them to be even, and I want the color to be light on the sides. And you wet the cake strips. They're just little strips. They're cloth. These have been really used. You can tell I use them. And you wet them, and you put them around your cake pans, and your cakes layers come out even and light colored. And we want this trifle to be beautiful because I want to surprise my husband with something special. My grandkids are coming. It's nobody's birthday or anything. I just thought we would kind of hang out as a family together tomorrow night. Okay, see the cake strips are on. 350 degrees for 15 minutes. So while our cake is in the oven, we're going to make our filling. We need 4 cups of cold milk. There's 2. Four. Now we need 2 boxes of the small of the French vanilla instant pudding. Put them right in. Ooh, that smells good. So now we're going to beat up this pudding and go ahead and make our filling. We have it well combined, and we're just going to scrape our bowl. Okay. And I'm going to put the plastic down right kind of on top of it. We don't want a film to get on it, so I put the plastic wrap down inside. We're going to make our chocolate ganache. We need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to pour it right in our pan here. Okay, this will start to simmer and we don't want it to boil. We just want it to simmer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we are going to measure out 2 cups of chocolate chips, and I only have minis. And we're going to put them in a bowl that's heat proof. And this is really beginning to simmer. Now we're going to pour it right on top of our chocolate chips. Okay, we're just going to stir these chips around and it's going to make a chocolate ganache. That's it. Okay, we're going to stop right here and we're going to get those cakes out of the oven. Flat on top. Perfect. That's what the cake strips do. They make your cake a perfect layered cake. Okay, I've got a whisk here. We're just going to whisk it around. Okay, so our ganache is all ready. It's shiny and beautiful. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with this. I want to just wrap it up. I'm going to lay a little bit of paper down. Sometimes it can get a film on it, and we don't want that. All right, so we have our filling done, and we have our chocolate ganache done. Okay, here are our cakes. We're going to go ahead and take off these. Oh, they're still hot. We're going to go ahead and take off these cake strips. The cake strips were wet when they went on, but now they are completely dry. And we're going to get these, because they're in parchment paper, we can just take them right out. And they have a lighter outside. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, we took the parchment paper off of our cakes. We're going to let them cool completely. I'm going to probably let everything cool for about at least an hour to an hour and a half before we assemble our cake. Okay guys, we're going to take and we're going to slice these cakes in half. They're completely cool, so they should be easy to work with. I'm taking my serrated bread knife and just cutting through the cake. Simple and easy. Okay, and I'm taking just a very simple bowl like I got at Walmart, just a simple one. And we are going to put the bottom of this right in here, right in our bowl. Okay, I'm going to take off the plastic from our pudding and our ganache. So we're going to take a, should I do a layer of chocolate first, or should I do, I'm going to take the pudding. Take a layer and just kind of start spreading it around. Oh my gosh, this ganache is just absolutely gorgeous. We're going to take and we're going to layer it right over, just kind of spoon it. Try not to mix it if you can, just kind of just like lay it around. Spoon it around. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're just going to lay the top of our cake right over that, and it should squash up. Now we're going to lay another layer of the pudding. I love Boston cream pie, but I have to say my husband just goes crazy for it. Okay. Now we're just going to spread this chocolate. Lay the other layer. Warm up this just a little bit, just like 10 seconds. We wanted this chocolate to be just a little bit warmer, and I think it'll spread better. Okay, last little touch right on top. And you get to lick the bowl, or I do. Make you one and you can lick the bowl. I'm going to fold this down into a cup. We're going to put some Cool Whip on it. I want it to look really pretty. I'm just going to take and do some cute little dollops right on top. And I may just go around since I got enough. I'm going to take just a few chocolate chips. These are little mini chocolate chips. And I'm just going to sprinkle right on the top. Now, I'm no cake decorator by no means. This is just so simple and so easy. And you don't even have to, you know, use one of these. Just put Cool Whip on top of it. Throw some chocolate chips on it. This is my Boston cream pie trifle. Isn't that beautiful? This is a gorgeous, gorgeous Boston cream pie trifle. Guys, we are going to enjoy. My husband is going to love, love, love this. And I'm so excited. And I'm excited too because I love it also. So I'm going to stick it in my refrigerator and then just get better by tomorrow. Or dig in to this Boston cream pie trifle. Okay, we're going to try it. You guys, you got to make this Boston cream pie trifle. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. You're so kind and sweet and loving, encouraging. I wished I could give you all a hug. I wish I could have you all over for some Boston cream pie trifle. I really do. You are the sweetest people on YouTube. And I have actually run into a couple of people at different places that know who I am. And I'm just blown away that anyone even recognizes me. But you guys are so, so sweet. I just want to say thank you. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.